lower body and the upper body. We're going to try and incorporate these together for quickness. So we're going to start with the quads. The quads have 2 points. The first one we call the Peter Pan point, and that's because Peter Pan tends to stand like this. So with your hands on your waist, you will sit them into that little gap between rib cage and pelvis. This is the area where the first point for quads is located. So go right to the back as far as you can where it will meet the big lumbar muscles, and work your way all the way through to the front where it starts to pick up the abdominal muscles. Right. Again, you can do this at the same time if you want to. Now we are moving into the lower quad point. On the inside of the knee, above the knee joint, is a little fleshy teardrop muscle. We're getting underneath that teardrop muscle and we are rubbing away at that tender spot. If you can then extend this from here, working all the way up that tender inner thigh area. This is actually moving on to the abdominals now. So work your way up there, one thigh at a time. For the hamstrings, which are the antagonist muscle group to the quads, we turn around and using the fist, feel for the edge of this sacrum bone, the little triangular bone that's seated at the back of the pelvis. Use your knuckles to start at the bottom and work their way up the edge of that sacrum bone. Then making your way back down for 30 seconds. Using the fist of one hand now, go into the centre of that sacrum and just rub it up and down right through the centre. This is actually for the pelvic floor.